Hey, happy birthday. 2.
What's your name?
Avery.
Avery?
Yeah.
Alright, attention lock credits. Avery's 2nd birthday today.
Yeah, you get to hold the hat.
No, I count 3, we're gonna sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday, dear Avery. Happy birthday to you.
Are you scared? Yay! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday, dear Nookie. Happy birthday to you. Yay, let's blow it out.
Blow.
Blow.
Come on, blow.
Nookie, do it.
Blow.
She's scared of it.
Blow.
Get it, Nookie.
Blow.
Get it.
Blow.
Get it. Atta girl. Little spit.
Daddy, Nookie.
Get it, Nookie. Get it, Nookie.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Okay.
Blow.
It comes back up, Mommy.
Blow. Blow candles out.
Okay, let's help
Alright,
her
Merrick,
out.
you blow it out.
Go, Merrick. Don't spit on it, son. Just blow it out. Yay! Okay, you can turn it on.
Mommy, I think
Yay!
the fire's coming back.
No, I think it's not going to come back.
I'll do the red one.
Thanks, dude.
We're helping. I want to eat.
Who wants cake?
I do.
And some cake, Nani? You can have some cake. Nookie and Merrick made that cake.
Yeah, you did too, Mommy.
Yeah, I helped you a little bit. It's a pretty good cake. It's good cake.
Sorry.
It's good cake. Strawberry cake.
Where's the chocolate cake?
Shall we? Good cake.
Mommy.